A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. I hope that you all are well. You are studying regularly at your home. You are practicing the problems of the maths that is given to you. In today's class, we will be first of all continuing the chapter number 10, measurement. In today's class, we will be doing the basic operations on the metric measures. First of all, here I have written a problem at 2 centimeter, 6 millimeter and 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. So how we will be doing this addition? For addition of this metric measures, write them in proper columns. Here I have written centimeter and millimeter. Two columns are there. So we have to write this metric measures in a column, that is same units one below the other, and then add like whole numbers. So let us do this. I have written here centimeter and millimeter. Here also centimeter and millimeter is there. So I have written centimeter and millimeter. Now 2 centimeter, 6 millimeter, 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. Now do the addition like we used to do for the whole numbers. 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 I will be writing here and 1 will move to carry. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So our answer is 12 centimeter and 4 millimeter. Like this we have to do the addition. Now how to do subtraction? If we have to subtract the metric measures, how we will be doing the subtraction? I am writing here a number. The first one, it is 7 meter 62 centimeter. This metric measure we have to subtract it from 10 meter and 45 centimeter. We have to subtract it from this. So first of all, what we will be doing? Meter, centimeter. Here also meter and centimeter is there. So I will be writing meter and the another column will be of centimeter. Then I will be writing 10 meter and 45 I will be writing in the centimeter column. Again 7 I will be writing in the meter column and 62 I will be writing in the centimeter column, and then I will be subtracting it like I used to subtract the whole number. 5 minus 2, 3, 4 minus 6, as 4 it is smaller than 6, so it cannot be subtracted. So here it will become 14, this will become 9 here, and here it will become 0. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. Here 9 minus 7 is 2. So our answer is 2 meter and 83 centimeter. So like this we have to do the subtraction. Now let us do the word problems. Few word problems from your exercise 10E. You can take out page number 153. Take out page number 153. We will be doing some of the problems from exercise 10E. Let us do first of all question number 2. In the question number 2, find in meters the height of pile of 25 books. What we have to find? We have to find the height of pile of 25 books that we have to find. So I am putting here the question mark. If each book is 3 centimeter 5 millimeter thick, the thickness of each of the book it is given. What is the thickness? 3 centimeter and 5 millimeter. So first of all we have to convert this 3 centimeter 5 millimeter into meters. The conversion we have done in the previous exercise. How? We will be writing it 0.035 meter. 3 centimeter 5 millimeter, we could write this in the meters because we have to find the height of pile in meters. So I have written 3 centimeter 5 millimeter into meters. It is 0.035 meters. Now what will be the height of 25 books? It is the height of one pile of book. So the height of 25 piles of the book, it will be 0.035 multiplied by 25. We have to multiply it with the 25. So if you multiply this with the 25, you will be getting the answer as 0.875 meters. The multiplication also we have done in the previous exercise, how to do the multiplication of the decimals. In the decimals we have done this, how to do the multiplication. So in the similar manner we have to do the multiplication like we used to do for the whole number. Then we have to put the decimal after 3 digits, because here also the decimal is there after 3 digits. So in the answer also I will be putting the decimal just after the 3 digits. Now let us do question number 4. Before starting question number 4, let us revise this question. In the question it is given that we have to find the height of pile of 25 books and we have to find the height in meters. And in the question what is given? The height of one pile of book it is given. What is its height? It is 3 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Height of one pile of the book is given. So first of all we will be converting this into meters. After conversion we will be multiplying this with the 25 and we will be getting our final answer. Let us do next question. That is question number 3. That is question number 3. In the question number 3, what is given? Ritu draw a line segment of length 15 centimeter 4 millimeter. Then she erased a portion of it. The remaining line segment measures 7 centimeter 6 millimeter. What is the length in millimeter of the erased line segment? So what is given? Let us first write this. What is given in the question? Length of line segment. What is the length of line segment given? The length of the line segment is 15 centimeter and 4 millimeter is the length of the line segment. And how much is erased? Erased line segment. Erased line segment measures 7 centimeter and 6 millimeter. What is the length in millimeter of the erased line segment? This is the remaining portion. Let us read the question again. In the question what is given? Ritu, in her copy, she had drawn a line segment. What is the length of the line segment? It is 15 centimeter 4 millimeter. It is the length of the line segment which is drawn by Ritu. and she has erased the line, and the remaining portion of line segment which is left, it is 7 centimeter and 6 millimeter. So we have to find the erased portion, the length in millimeter. We have to find here, see, we have to find the length in millimeter of erased line. So what we will be doing in this, we will be subtracting this 15 centimeter 4 millimeter with 7 centimeter 6 millimeter, because we have to find the remaining portion. Whenever you have to find the remaining, the leftover, whenever in the question it is given that how much is left, find the remaining portion. Whenever in words it is written like this, what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. So here we will be doing the subtraction. 15 centimeter, this is centimeter and this is millimeter. 7 centimeter 6 millimeter. Now here it would be 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. Here it will be 4, 14. Now 14 minus 7 is 7. So it is 7 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So 7 centimeter and 8 millimeter. This we have to write the length in millimeter only. Here you can see 2 units are there. One is centimeter, another is millimeter. The final answer we have to write only in the millimeter. So how we will be writing this? We will be writing this as, it would be 78 millimeter. So again let us revise the question. In the question what is given? Ritu has drawn a line segment. What is the total length of the line segment? 15 centimeter and 4 millimeter. It is the total length. Then she has erased the line, and the remaining line that is left, it is 7 centimeter 6 millimeter. Now we have to find the leftover, the remaining erased line. How much line she has erased? So we have to subtract 15 centimeter 4 millimeter with 7 centimeter and 6 millimeter. We have to subtract it. So when we subtract it, we will be getting 7 centimeter and 8 millimeter. In the question it is given that we have to find the length in millimeters. So what we will be doing? We will be writing in millimeters as 78 millimeters. This conversion we have done in the previous exercises, how to do the conversion. Let us do the next question, that is question number 4. Question number 4. Vivek jogs 8 times around a square field of parameter 140 meter. How many kilometers and meters does he jog? He had planned to jog 1.5 kilometer. How much in meters is still left to jog? So in the question what is given? Vivek jogs around he jogs around a square field. Vivek, he jogs around a square field. So what is the square field? It measures 140 meter. There is a square field. On that square field Vivek used to jog. The square field, it measures 140 meter, and Vivek used to take 8 rounds of this ground. So multiply by 8, because he used to take 8 rounds of the square field. So when we multiply it with the 8, it would be 1120 meter. Now we have to find distance in meters left to jog. What is the distance which is left? Distance left in meters. We have to find the distance which is left in meters. So here the distance which is left in the meters, it would be 1500 minus 1120. This is in meters. So if we subtract this, we will be getting 380 meters. The subtraction you can do because we have done it earlier also. So let us revise this question again. What is given in the question? Vivek jogs around a square field. He jogs around a square field. That square field, it measures 140 meter and he used to take 8 rounds of it. So multiply by 8. If I multiply it with the 8, I will be getting 1120 meters. Now what is given in the question? How many kilometers and meters does he jog? He had planned to jog 1.5 kilometers. This I will be doing in the rough. He had planned to jog 1.5 kilometer. This much total he has to jog. So this 1.5 kilometer I have converted here it into meter. If this kilometer I convert it into the meter, so it would be 1.5 multiplied by 1000. Why I am multiplying it with the 1000? This I have explained earlier also, because 1 kilometer has 1000 meters. So I have multiplied it with the 1000. So if you multiply this with the 1000, you will be getting 1500 meters. This you will be getting final. So I have written here 1500 meter minus 1120 meter. If you subtract it, you will be getting 380 meters. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.